Meaning of Francis Kilvert.
Francis Kilvert.
Francis Kilvert.
Francis Kilvert.
Francis Kilvert. Francis Kilvert was a 19th-century English clergyman and diarist. He is known for his published diary, which provides a vivid account of rural life in the Welsh border country during the mid-1870s. Kilvert's diary entries are rich in detail and offer insights into the daily routines, customs, and social interactions of the people living in those times. His observations cover everything from the natural beauty of the countryside to the hardships of rural poverty. Overall, Kilvert's writings provide a fascinating glimpse into a bygone era and remain widely read and studied today.